In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Desktop. There are two main ways to handle this, depending on which version of QuickBooks Desktop you're using. If you have QuickBooks Desktop Accountant, Enterprise, or a higher edition that includes the batch removal feature, you can use the Batch Delete or Void Transactions tool. If you're using Pro or Premier, that tool is not available, so you'll need to delete transactions manually, one at a time. Let's start with the Batch Delete or Void method. Before you do anything, make sure your company file is in single user mode. To check this, go to the File menu and look for the option that says Switch to single user mode. If instead you see Switch to multi-user mode, that means you're already in single user mode and you're good to continue. This matters because the Batch Delete tool won't work unless the file is set correctly. Next, go to the Accountant menu and select Batch Delete Void Transactions. QuickBooks will open the tool and show you a list of transactions that can be reviewed. From there, select the checkboxes next to the transactions you want to remove. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the correct entries, since deleting or voiding multiple transactions can affect your records. Once you've made your selections, choose Review and Delete, or Review and Void if you prefer to void them instead of deleting them. QuickBooks will then give you the option to create a backup before making the change. You can select Backup and Delete if you want the added protection of saving a backup first, or choose Delete only if you want to continue without one. After that, click Yes to confirm, and QuickBooks will process the removal. If you're using QuickBooks Pro or Premier, the process is more manual. Since batch deletion isn't supported in those versions, you'll need to find and remove each transaction individually. To do that, click the Edit menu at the top and select Find or use Ctrl+F on your keyboard. In the search window, you can enter details about the transaction you're looking for, such as the type, customer, date, invoice number, or amount. You don't need to fill in every field. Even partial information can help narrow the results. You can use the Simple tab for a basic search, or the Advanced tab if you want more control. Once you locate the transaction, open it, then go to the Edit menu at the top and select Delete Transaction, or click Delete from within the invoice itself if that option appears there. Finally, click OK or Yes to confirm. Repeat the same process for each additional transaction you need to remove. And that's how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Desktop.